Hello, my friends. So, continuing with our US symbols, we're wrapping it up this week. It's a review. We already learned this. Today, I'm going to read about the United States flag or the Grand Old Flag. Now, I know that you guys can probably tell me so many things about it, but I thought this would be a good review. So, again, I'm going to read you the story, and then later on today, you are going to record yourself telling me 3 things you remember about the Grand Old Flag. Here's our table of contents again. Oops. What is the United States flag? The United States flag is a symbol for freedom and unity. So we all know what freedom is. Freedom is being free to do what you want. And then unity is being together, that we're together as a country. The flag is red, white, and blue. How many stripes does it have? Tell me. How many stars? It has 13 stripes and 50 stars. The stripes are for the first 13 what? Colonies. And the stars are for the 50 states. Flag history. The first flag was made in 1776. It had 13 stars and stripes. Now, this woman is Betsy Ross. She sewed the very first American flag. Now, why did it have 13 stars and stripes? For the 13 colonies. The flag meant the U.S. was free from British rule. Who's this guy here on the horse? He was a very brave general. What's his name? George Washington. The country grew. With each new state, a star was added to the flag. Now, there are some different names for the U.S. flag, some nicknames. One is the Stars and Stripes, Star Spangled Banner, Old Glory, the Red, White, and Blue, and what do we call it in our class? The Grand Old Flag. Fly the flag. The flag flies at schools, libraries, and government buildings, and also in a lot of houses too. Some of you might have an American flag at your house, or if you don't, you might see them around your neighborhood. June 14th is Flag Day. Americans fly the flag proudly. Americans respect the US flag. They fly it high. Now, I wonder if you remember some of the things that we talked about when we're respecting the flag or showing it honor. So that is the end. So these are some words: colonies, respect, freedom, symbol, libraries, and unity. All right, my friends. So that was a quick book, but you already know so much about the American flag. So what I want you to do is in the activity today, you are going to record your voice telling me at least 3 things you remember about the Grand Old Flag. You probably could tell me about 20. So you can tell me 3 or more because I can't wait to hear. Okay, I'll be waiting.